enter getting the engine out. There it is in all its glory. I used some used head bolts and welded on some tube for the 4-point lifter. You have to disconnect these, all the wiring looms or something, and then undo the power steering. Don't lose an O-ring out of there, it's very important. Undo the starter, all the bell housing bolts. Yeah, fairly easy so far. Engine bay is transmission, torque converter. These two locating pins are absolutely awful. These two, they're a right pain, and it's going to be a right game putting the engine back in. But yeah, that's where we've got it so far, and then all the looms piled up here with the injectors. At all. Nada.